Hello and welcome to this video on how to run filters in R. So let's go ahead and load in the dataset. This is a built-in dataset with variables on several cars. So this includes miles per gallon, number of cylinders, displacement, horsepower, and more. So let's start out with base R filtering. So let's filter cars with miles per gallon greater than 25. So we assign high miles per gallon to empty cars, miles per gallon greater than 25. So let's go ahead and print this. So here we have the cars with miles per gallon greater than 25. Now let's filter cars with 4 cylinders and more than 100 horsepower. So here we have cylinders equal to 4 and horsepower greater than 100. So only 2 cars have 4 cylinders with horsepower greater than 100. Now let's use dplyr to filter the data. Let's filter cars with miles per gallon greater than 25. Again, we have the cars with miles per gallon greater than 25, including Honda Civic and Toyota Corolla. Now let's filter cars with 6 cylinders or 5 gears. So here we use the vertical dashed line to indicate OR. So here we have the cars with 6 cylinders or 5 gears. Now let's use subset to filter the cars. We can filter cars with horsepower between 100 and 150. So here we have the and sign. Finally, we can save filter data to a variable. So we'll filter the cars that can complete the quarter mile in less than 15 seconds. There are only 2 cars that can complete the quarter mile in less than 15 seconds. And that's how we run filters in R.